Hello everybody, it's taking Sparrow for his walk time, and I don't know where he's running to, but he's trying to find something. But it's nice and windy here, not cold. Well, my wife thinks it's cold, but I don't. But then again, everybody's different. Some people don't mind it, some people can handle it, some people can't. I don't like it too cold. Maybe I should have put on a small jacket, but oh well. I hope everybody's doing well and having a great Sunday and had a great weekend. And if y'all have off tomorrow, I hope y'all enjoy it. Take the time and catch up and relax on whatever it is y'all need to do. And we will talk to y'all later. Love y'all.